Hi there, welcome to this tutorial of Tracker. The first thing you'll have to do is to open the app. You can identify it by this logo. You'll open it. Just wait for it to open. Once it pops up, you'll choose the video of your desire. In this case is this one. You'll drag it to Tracker and wait for it to download. Once you'll show it in the video to the very moment when the object lifts off from your hand. In this case a ball. And then to the very moment when the object stops moving or stops the parabolic motion. Then you put on some axis, the x-axis and the y-axis with this button. Drag it right where the object is in order for it to start in the order, meaning 0 in both axes. Then you'll create a ruler in this menu. You'll shift and click and then shift and click again and drag the ruler to your desire. In this case that. Then you'll edit the distance of the movement, in this case 32 meters. Now create punctual mass. This menu, but first change the frames to 5 in order to click less time. Now in the punctual mass, click on shift and start from the order where your object is. Then follow the object in the movement and always clicking shift and clicking right in the center of the object. Do this until the motion stops and crosses the x-axis to complete the parabola. Now you can almost see the parabola there. Next thing you do is to choose the data you want to get from Tracker. In this case, you'll get x and y, the velocity and the components of the velocity, being b of x and b of y. Also the angle of the velocity. Close that window and then double click on any of those items, these ones. Double click and click on analyze. You'll get all the graphs of all the data that you wanted to get from Tracker. But you can also choose which one to see. You can isolate one by unclicking the checkbox, like in this case, velocity of x. Now we'll isolate just the position of y. In this case you have x against time, but you want to change it with y against time to get the parabola of the movement, the vertical movement. There you have. the next thing you'll do is to click on adjustments and change the linear graph to parabola in that scroll box. Then you check on the checkbox to get the perfect parabola of the movement. You get the equation of the parabola and also the values of the equation. You can also click on statistics and get the maximum, minimum, and median of every data, of every single type of data that you wanted to get. Well, that's all.